Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public room in Among Us. First, launch the Among Us application on your preferred device. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu and select the Online button. This action will take you to the online play options. From there, you will choose the Host Game option to start creating your very own public lobby. It's a straightforward process to get started. After selecting Host Game, you will see options to configure your lobby. Ensure that the public setting is active so other players can join. Next, pick your desired map from the 4 available choices, such as the Skeld or Polis. You can also decide on the number of imposters, typically 1, 2, or 3, to suit your preferred game difficulty. Now, let's fine-tune your game experience. You can customize various settings like player speed, ranging from 0.5 times to 3 times normal speed, and discussion time, often set to 30 seconds. Adjust the kill cooldown, usually between 10 and 60 seconds, and the number of emergency meetings allowed. These adjustments help create a balanced and enjoyable game for everyone. With your settings complete, it's time to welcome players. Your public room will now appear in the game browser for others to join. Watch as players fill your lobby, typically up to 15 individuals. Once you have a sufficient number of players and everyone is ready, simply press the Start button to begin your exciting game of Among Us. Enjoy the mystery and teamwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.